Hi there guys, welcome to Such Is Life, a channel dedicated to exploring the mysteries and complexities of life and philosophy revolving around it. On this channel, we will delve into a variety of topics related to life and how we live it, including personal growth, relationships, and the search for meaning and purpose. Whether you are a seasoned philosopher or just starting to think about the big questions in life, we hope you will join us on this journey of discovery and self-exploration. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the mysteries of life together. In today's video we explore the concept of social media. From its humble beginnings, its intended purpose to its natural progression over the years. We also delve into the correlation of human psychology and social media. What are its impacts and assess whether it has been a force for good or bad. Finally, we also scrutinize AI application in social media and whether AI can improve on the social impact on society, knowing what it knows from the perspective of human psychology. So let's start by breaking down some key components of the discussion. In the future, everyone will be world famous for 15 minutes, an expression inspired by a quotation misattributed to Andy Warhol as an example of ephemerality of fame in the information age and, more recently, the democratization of media outlets brought about by the advent of the internet. On the forefront of this, social media as an outlet have had a profound impact on modern human lives, changing the way we connect, communicate, and consume information. The concept of using technology to facilitate communication and connection among individuals has been around for decades, but the term social media itself was first coined in the late 1990s to describe the emergence of internet-based platforms that allowed users to create and share content, connect with friends and strangers, and participate in online communities. According to Wikipedia, the development of social media began with simple platforms. GeoCities was one of the earliest social networking services, launched in November 1994. Followed by Classmates.com in December 1995 and 6degrees.com in May 1997. Unlike instant messaging clients, for example, ICQ and AOL's AIM, or chat clients, for example, IRC, iChat, or Chat Television, 6 Degrees was the first online business that was created for real people, using their real names. The launch of Facebook in 2004 marked a turning point in the development of social media, as it allowed users to create personal profiles, connect with friends, share photos and videos, and participate in groups and communities. The rising popularity of social media was also driven by the increasing availability of internet access and the proliferation of smartphones and other mobile devices. This made it easier for people to access social media platforms and stay connected with others on the go. Research from 2015 by Nielsen Company shows that the world spent 22% of their online time on social networks, thus suggesting the popularity of social media platforms, and as many as 4.08 billion social media users worldwide were found active on smartphones as of October 2020. So let us explore whether has it been for the good of society or on the contrary. On the one hand, social media have made it easier for people to connect with others, regardless of distance or time. Social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook have become powerful tools for social movements, allowing people to organize and mobilize around causes they care about. For example, the use of social media played a key role in the Arab Spring movement of 2011, where citizens in countries like Tunisia, Egypt and Bahrain used platforms like Facebook and Twitter to organize protests, share information and call for political change. Similarly, the hashtag #MeToo movement, which started in 2017 on social media platforms like Twitter, helped survivors of sexual assault and harassment to come forward and share their stories, leading to a global movement against sexual harassment and assault. However, social media and digital communication have also been linked to negative effects such as addiction, depression, and anxiety. Studies have shown that heavy social media use can lead to decreased well-being and increased feelings of loneliness and isolation. For example, a study by authors Social Media Use and Perceived Social Isolation Among Young Adults in the US found that heavy social media use is positively associated with increased feelings of social isolation among young adults. The study concluded that those who use social media more frequently may be at a greater risk of experiencing social isolation. The spread of misinformation and fake news on social media platforms has also become a growing concern. For example, a study on the role of social media in the discussion and spread of vaccine misinformation. A review of the literature found that social media plays a significant role in the spread of misinformation about vaccines, which can lead to decreased vaccination rates and increased health risks. Research has also shown that social media can be used as a tool to spread propaganda and influence public opinion. A study by authors The Weaponization of Social Media found that state-sponsored actors use social media to spread disinformation and influence public opinion during the 2016 US presidential election. The impact of social media on society is complex and multifaceted. While it can have positive effects, it is important to be aware of the potential negative consequences and take steps to mitigate them. From the examples presented earlier, it is clear that the argument for social media being a force for the good is that it has allowed for greater connectivity and communication among individuals and communities. It has also given a voice to marginalized groups and has played a role in social and political movements. While for the argument that social media has been a force for the negative, it can contribute to the spread of misinformation and fake news. It can also lead to the amplification of hateful and divisive speech. It can also be used to spread malware, promote cybercrime and other illegal activities. So knowing all these, what do we know of the use of artificial intelligence, AI, in social media? For the most part, we know some elements of AI are used as a natural language processing and sentiment analysis to analyze and understand the vast amounts of data generated on social media platforms. AIs have been used to automatically identify patterns, sentiments, preferences, trends, and insights in social media data, which is then used to improve reach, marketing, customer service, and other business operations. So surely it's not much of a stretch to combine AI's understanding of human psychology and its learning capabilities to change the tide in favor of social media having a positive impact? One of the most significant negative impacts of social media is the spread of misinformation and fake news. Social media algorithms are designed to show us content that we are likely to engage with, which can lead to the formation of echo chambers. As a result, people can become isolated in their own ideological bubbles, which can make them more susceptible to misinformation. Research have shown that AI can be used to detect and prevent the spread of misinformation on social media platforms. A study by authors combating misinformation on social media, an overview of technical solutions, found that AI-based solutions, such as natural language processing and machine learning, can be used to automatically detect and remove misinformation from social media platforms. Another example of the negative impact of social media is the amplification of hateful and divisive speech. Social media has given a voice to individuals and groups that spread hate and intolerance, which can lead to an increase in hate crimes and a deterioration of social cohesion. While the use of AI in social media might be possible to counter this, it also raises important ethical questions. A study by on artificial intelligence and social media, the ethical challenges, found that the use of AI in social media raises ethical issues related to privacy, bias, and accountability. The study suggests that AI can perpetuate and even amplify existing biases in society, and can be used to target and manipulate individuals and groups. Moreover, the use of AI in social media raises questions about accountability, as it can be difficult to identify and hold responsible the actors behind AI-generated content or decisions. As a result, artificial intelligence, AI, can be seen as having the potential to revolutionize the way we use and understand social media data. With the ability to process large amounts of data quickly and accurately, AI can be used to identify patterns and trends that would be difficult for humans to detect. This can be beneficial for a wide range of applications, such as identifying fake news, detecting hate speech, and understanding consumer behavior. However, as with any new technology, the use of AI in social media also raises important ethical questions. One concern is that AI algorithms may perpetuate and amplify existing biases in the data they are trained on. This can lead to discriminatory outcomes, such as the promotion of misleading or harmful content to certain groups of people. Another concern is the lack of transparency in how AI systems make decisions. In many cases, it can be difficult to understand how an AI system arrived at a particular decision, which can make it challenging to hold the system accountable for its actions. This lack of transparency can also make it difficult for users to trust the information they see on social media, which can undermine the credibility of the platform. As the use of AI in social media continues to grow, it is important to consider and address these ethical concerns. This can be done by developing and implementing ethical guidelines for the use of AI in social media, such as those proposed by the IEEE Global Initiative on Ethics of Autonomous and Intelligent Systems. Additionally, companies and organizations that develop and use AI systems should be transparent about their methods and decision-making processes, and be open to feedback and input from users and other stakeholders. So there you go, folks. Thanks for joining us on Such Is Life channel for this brief thought experiment. We hope that you have enjoyed exploring the mysteries and complexities of life and philosophy with us. Remember, life is a journey of self-discovery and personal growth, and there is always more to learn and discover. We encourage you to continue thinking deeply about the big questions in life and to seek out new experiences and perspectives that can help you to grow and evolve. We look forward to sharing more insights and ideas with you on future episodes of Such Is Life. If you like the content, we would love to hear your comments below, and remember to have a healthy discussion so we all can benefit together. We would appreciate it if you could share, Like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be updated with our upcoming thought-provoking discussions on this channel. Until next time, take care and keep exploring the mysteries of life.